What's this? Who should see your private part? Who do you love more, mommy or daddy?
Why can't we be friends? Why can't we be friends? Why can't we be friends? Why can't we be friends?
What's up, man? Take this off, bro. Yeah, look like daddy. Come sit beside daddy. What's up, bro?
I'm good.
You good? So we can't have a conversation without drinking some good.
Holy moly, how many is that?
6.
6 of them?
Yeah.
Where did you find those from?
Got them from the store. So we're drinking what flavor today?
Strawberry.
Right.
It looks like medicine.
Medicine.
Yeah, because it's pink. Shake it first.
Shake it up.
Always shake your Pediasure.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Cheers. Tastes good. What do you feel? What's your favorite drink? Like what that would be? If that's the only thing you could drink for the rest of your life, what would it be?
Wait. I have to drink it for the rest of the life?
Yeah. Which drink that would it be?
Water.
I thought you was gonna say Pediasure.
No.
Am I too old to be drinking Pediasure? I'm too old for this.
But you're not a kid. Why there's a giraffe on it?
Why is there a giraffe on it?
Yeah.
Because it's showing if you drink it, it helps you grow like a giraffe.
No, that doesn't make sense.
If you could change your name, what would you change your name to?
I don't really know actually. I don't really know.
What do you mean you don't know?
I have two new names. Angelo and Angelo.
If you change your name from Tad, you change it to Angelo?
And Angelo.
Angelo. Alright, Angelo.
Or Angelo.
Oh, Angelo, okay. So, yo, Angelo, show me a funny face. Make a funny face for the camera. That's the funniest face I can make?
I'm gonna make this face.
Wow. So, yo, Angelo, what type of girls do you like?
I like brown skin ones.
You like brown skin girls?
Yes.
Yeah? What her personality should be like? You want a mean brown skin girl?
I want a kind one.
Oh, a kind one.
Yeah.
Okay, so you want to get married to a brown skin girl?
But let me just ask you a question.
Alright, go ahead.
When I was at school, I was sitting on a different table, not the blue table.
Okay. And who's at the blue table?
There was like 4 boys. I was at the blue table like by 2 days. There was one person that did not respect me.
Hold on, what you know about respect? What is respect?
Respect means to be nice.
Okay, so...
But it was a tall girl that was like a little bit 7, and she was being unrespect. That's what she was doing.
Oh, unrespect.
Yeah.
The word is disrespectful.
Disrespectful?
Yeah, she was being disrespectful to you?
Yeah, to me.
Oh, she was brown skin or light skin?
Light.
Oh, light skin, okay. Alright, you know what? Let's go through some pictures. I want to know what you think is pretty. We're gonna look at some girls that's 6, your age. You're gonna tell me which type of girl, which girl do you like? You like her?
That's too much.
Too much what?
Too much of those.
Okay. So you don't like her. You like her?
Yep.
She's pretty? Okay. What about her? You like her?
Now, this is confusing.
Why? What's confusing? Tell me.
Why are our faces all oval and mine's just like this? A little short circle.
That's how her parents made her, and that's how she came out. Well, yeah, God made her like that. So, would you like how she looks? Like, she's pretty to you?
I don't want it.
You don't want her?
I don't want her.
Why?
I don't know, but...
Alright, what about her? Is she pretty?
No.
No?
I don't know. Maybe I'll not choose her. Maybe I'll not choose her.
Why?
Because I'll not.
Alright, so tell me, which one would you want to be a girlfriend?
Just go down.
Her? Yeah?
Yep.
Okay. Is she light skin or dark skin?
Light skin.
But you see, you want a dark skin girl. Hey, you like what you like.
There's like light skin girls. There's a lot of light skin. Here, there, and everywhere.
Yeah. But it's alright. We all have different tastes.
Why you forget?
We all have different types of females that we like. Another question too, man. Like, if you could bring one of your toys alive, like give it life on it.
If you give it life, you have to give it love.
Oh my God!
I'll say my favorite one.
Yeah,
and I
but
got one that is special, and I'm gonna let it talk.
Which one would it be?
I want it to be Sonic.
Yo, you love Sonic. You even wearing you're wearing a Sonic shirt, man. How do you show love to your friends?
I don't know how to do that.
High five. Alright, boom. Some friends you hug.
Yeah.
Only some. Do you kiss your friends?
No.
Okay, good. How do you show your parents love?
You mean my mom and my dad?
Yeah.
I don't know what to say.
Who should you kiss?
My mom.
Okay. You should kiss daddy?
No.
What do you do with daddy?
When you leave to work, I hug you.
Hug, right?
Yeah.
And high five, right?
Yeah.
Alright, boom. You too old for kissing daddy. You hear me? Alright. Who should see your private part?
My mom and my dad.
Okay. So if your teacher comes to you and say, let me see your private part, what you going to do?
No, I'm gonna say, no thank you.
And then you're going to tell who when you get home. When you get home, who you going to tell?
My mom and dad.
Alright. What about if a girl at school comes to you and say, let me see your private part? What are you going to say? What are you going to do?
I'll say, no. I'll say no, and then I'll tell the teacher.
Okay.
And I will tell my parents too.
Alright, good.
I only tell my parents when I'm 5.
What do you mean you only tell them when you're 5? So when you're 10, when you're in high school, you don't tell your parents?
I don't tell my parents about, I don't tell my parents that.
That's serious?
We're not done looking at pictures.
What?
No, not yet. I'm gonna show you a picture and you tell me what it is. What's this? What's that?
That looks like a booty butt.
Is it a booty?
No.
What is it?
That's ice cream.
Oh, okay.
That looks like a butt.
It looks like a butt, right?
Yep.
What, your butt?
No.
What about this? What's this?
That looks like a vagina.
It looks like a vagina. But what is it though? If it's not a vagina, what is it?
Cake?
You're right, high five. Alright.
I thought that was like a butt, but that was ice cream.
Yeah, it was ice cream.
And why did they make it as a vagina?
I don't know. I don't know. I have no idea. So if someone is homeless, how would you help them?
You mean when I grow up?
No, right now, when you at this age.
I don't want to waste your money, but when I get older, I'll help them.
Oh, you don't want to waste my money?
Yeah, I don't want to steal your money.
Give it to them. Good, good. When you get older, how would you help them then?
I have to get a job. Then when I get my job,
Mm-hmm.
I have to get $2 to it.
Oh,
To him.
Okay, alright, fair. I like that answer. Alright.
A lot of people just give homeless mans one. And I'm gonna give them 2.
Nice. I have a good son right here. You're a good kid, man. I have a question to you. Who's the nicest person?
In my family,
Alright, in your family, who's the nicest person you know?
my mom and my dad.
Okay, good.
You and mom.
Okay.
Nina? No.
Why?
She never shares. I'm serious.
So your sister never shares,
Yep.
so she's not the nicest person to you. But she's nice, right?
Yeah, she's nice, but I
Mm.
play with her.
Okay. So like when you're talking about your sister, let me ask you a question about your sister. What if one day you're at the park or outside somewhere, you see somebody bullying your sister or pushes your sister down? What would you do?
I would tell my sister run.
Mm-hmm.
She'll run.
Mm-hmm.
I will do the rest of it.
Alright, good. Always remember, protect your sister, bro.
When we go to the park and I see someone bullying someone, I need to ring your bell when we go to the park.
Okay.
If I see someone bullying, I whip.
Yeah,
Whip.
Alright. I know you said mommy and daddy is the nicest persons you know.
Yeah.
Alright. Laugh like mommy.
So, you know what my mom says?
What?
She says, every time when you're complaining, you teach me
Teach you what?
how to, like, be mean to mom.
Yeah? That's what your mother said? I'm teaching you how to be mean?
Yep.
No, this is news to me. Alright, since you're talking about mommy this, mommy that. Alright. Who do you love more? Mommy or daddy? Who's your favorite? That's the final answer?
But if I said you, if my mom was around me, I don't know what happened.
Alright, so if you see mommy drowning in the water and you see daddy drowning.
But you're too heavy.
I know, but you only could save one of us. That means the other one is going to die. Who would you save? Mommy or daddy? In the sea, in the ocean, and there's a lot of sharks about to eat us. You only could save one person. Who would that be? Mommy or daddy?
So, I can call for 911. But, no. Like, I'll call for police to shoot the sharks.
Okay.
And I'll save both of you guys.
But what if you could only save one? Who would you save?
I don't want that to happen.
Why?
Because that'll just be sad.
Alright. What are you scared of the most? What is Angelo scared of?
I'm scared of wild snakes, like big wild snakes, if they're on my neck. And I'm scared of like birds that they have sharp claws. When they get on me, I panic and I'm out.
So I think that's the end of the video, Touch. I know it's past your bedtime. It was a good little chit chat. It was nice talking to you, bro.
Yep.
We're gonna do this another time, hopefully soon. I like talking to you, man. I like having conversations with daddy.
Yeah.
Until next time.
Bum, 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 and subscribe.